Short overview of the UDL principle of multiple means of representation, with a focus on the comprehension guideline. Representation is a process of collecting and presenting the information in a way that students can learn from it. To incorporate principle of multiple means of representation into your teaching, follow 3 guidelines, provide options for perception, comprehension, and language and symbols. In this overview, we will explore the guideline of providing options for comprehension. This guideline reinforces teaching to produce knowledge that can be used in the future decision making. To meet the goal of the guideline, follow a set of checkpoints. Activate background knowledge. Usable information relies on prior knowledge. To activate it, use analogies to bridge concepts, make explicit cross-curricular connections, and supply relevant prerequisite materials. It is important to quickly recognize most valuable information and concentrate on it. To help with this task, the next checkpoint focuses on highlighting patterns, relationships, and identifying valuable concepts. It is useful to emphasize key elements in tables and diagrams, illustrate critical features, and highlight learned skills to solve new problems. Learners need to be able to apply familiar information in new contexts. To maximize information transfer, revisit previously learned materials, link old knowledge to new knowledge, and incorporate frequent review and practice. The following demonstration highlights the use of comprehension checkpoints to optimize learning outcomes. The topic of the example lesson is structure of nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. Here, we are exploring the 3-dimensional structure of double-stranded pDNA. This is the most common structure of DNA molecule found in our cells. Highlighted are the molecular interactions that support the double helix structure. Specific types of non-covalent interactions are brought to students' attention, including base and pi stacking and hydrogen bonds. Activate background knowledge checkpoint was utilized to create cross-curricular connections. We used the information learned in general chemistry to support students' understanding of the fundamental molecular biology concepts. To support the background knowledge, a link to online general chemistry resource was provided. This offered an opportunity to maximize information transfer by revisiting previously learned material. Further on, 3-dimensional structure of transfer RNA was explored. We focused on distinct elements of this molecule. Finally, the key features of the nucleic acids were summarized in a concise table. The summary table emphasizes similarities and differences between nucleic acids. Summarizing key elements helps students to focus on patterns and valuable concepts to produce knowledge that can be used in future decision-making. This overview focused on one of the guidelines for UDL Principle of multiple means of representation. For a comprehensive review of UDL guidelines, visit www.udlguidelines.cast.org.